What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts, you know what time it is. Time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do something that I first tasted while I was living in Bangkok, Thailand. It was a version of this, which I tend to think that since I was there, it's probably the original version, but who knows. It's basically bang bang shrimp is what they're calling it here in restaurants here. So since I've moved back home and you know, I've discovered that places like Bonefish Grill and Cheesecake Factory have put this on their appetizers menu. It's become very, very popular over the last 15, 20 years. So anyway, but you know, it's always better at home. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some shrimp. Guys, so the ingredients are as follows. Of course, you got to have the shrimp here. I've got a pound of raw, deveined, cleaned, no shell on shrimp. Then we got mayonnaise, which is going in the sauce. We got some, this is chili garlic sauce, gochujang, I think is what they call it as well. But anyway, it's chili garlic sauce you can buy at the grocery store. I got some sweet chili sauce, some sriracha. I got regular breadcrumbs because this is what I had at home. You most typically use panko, Japanese style. Seasonings, we got garlic powder, pink Himalayan sea salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, cornstarch, this is important. We got 1 egg, and we got some lime. And of course we're gonna have, this is going to be bang bang shrimp tacos. So we're going to have the tortillas and we're going to have our slaw, which I'm sure you guys will see the little tag that's up above. That's in the video before this, but that slaw is going to go on these. So let's get started with some bang bang shrimp tacos. First thing we're going to start with is the sauce for the actual shrimp themselves. There's measurements to this, but really you do it by taste and by the way it looks. So first thing we're going to start with a little bit of mayo, or in this case Miracle Whip. About a half a cup if we're guessing or we're putting measurements on it. Then we're going to add a little bit of sriracha, not much. A little bit of sriracha there. Not putting as much as I normally do because I'm going to add this chili garlic paste or sauce. Going to add about that much to it. That heat's going to creep up on you, so you got to watch it. And then we're going to add our sweet chili sauce here. Quite a bit of that. And then we're simply just going to stir it up. We're going to look at the color. You're looking for a real orangey, reddish color. But we got to stir this up good so we get everything incorporated. Alright, it's getting mixed up there. Going to give it a little bit of a taste. Give it a little taste here. Ah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. It doesn't take a lot. So this is a sauce that's going to actually go over the shrimp. So we're basically just going to set this aside. Next thing we're going to work on is the flour breading for the shrimp and seasoning. Guys, so the next step is we're going to make the little bit of batter here for the shrimp. Take the 1 egg, break it into a bowl. We're just going to mix this up real good. And the next step I'm going to do here is I'm going to dry the shrimp off here. Because the drier you can get your shrimp, the better off they will cook. So I'm going to place the shrimp on a paper towel here. And this is 1 pound of shrimp, if I didn't mention that before. Alright, so let's get some of that moisture off of them. And I'm just going to dampen these dry as much as I can. Alright, there we go. We're going to add those right to our egg batter. Can you guys still see that? Yeah. So we're going to add that right to our egg mixture. Alrighty, let's get rid of this paper towel. And we're going to mix this up in here real good. Get the egg on every shrimp. Alright, we're going to put that aside. Going to bring this over. We're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to add our cornstarch. That's enough. We're going to add our breadcrumbs. And we're going to add a garlic powder to this. Our pink Himalayan sea salt. And our fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, so we're just simply going to add the shrimp here. We're going to mix this up first. Grab a utensil real quick. Remember, cornstarch is much lighter. Cornstarch is an absolute essential part of this dish. The reason being is because that's what's going to give your shrimp the crispiness. Try to stay away from flour for this one. Got that mixed up, so we're going to add the shrimp here. Sorry guys, I'm just trying not to get my hands as dirty as I normally do. Matter of fact, go in here with some tongs, make it easier for myself. Alright, so everybody's joined the party. So we're simply just going to mix these up. Get that cornstarch on all the shrimp. And our seasoning there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, the next time you're going to see me is over at the fryer. We're going to be frying these bad boys up. So we're over here at the fryer, and we're going to place these in here one at a time. I make sure my grease is right around 350, 375. And we're going to make sure we don't crowd this fryer here. And it's not going to take long to fry these up, probably about 2 to 3 minutes, 4 at the most. Alright, so that's our first batch. And we're going to fry these up. And I'll show you how golden brown they get. Actually, it won't get as golden brown as if you have flour, because the cornstarch doesn't turn the brownness. But it's going to be nice and crispy. We're going to take these out. It's only been like 2 minutes. Look at these. Oh, they're super nice and crispy. Doesn't take long, but we need that hard exterior so it doesn't make everything super soggy really quickly. Look at that. Woohoo! Alright, so let's go in with our second batch. Alright, so I got the second batch in there, and we're going to cook those up. I'm going to take them out, and we're going to add our magic to it. Ah, look at them. Woo hoo hoo. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, guys. Overcooked shrimp means rubbery shrimp. Now that we got our shrimp over here, I've got it here. I'm just going to empty this into a bowl. Look how crispy these are. Ooh, Lord. Empty them right into a bowl. And we're going to add our bang bang sauce to them. I don't like a whole lot of sauce. I don't like them to be super saturated. So I'm going to add just a little bit here and see where the mixture's like. Mix them up just a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. We could have that just like that. But, like I said, I'm going to do bang bang shrimp tacos. Let's assemble these bang bang shrimp tacos. So, I like to put a little bit of slaw on the bottom layer of mine. Just a little bit here. Ah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Then we're going to go in for our bang bang shrimp. Don't be stingy with the shrimp. This is not a restaurant. This is at home, remember? Put 3 or 4 of them on there. Doesn't matter if you make a mess. You're at home. All right. So we're going to finish it off with a little bit of cilantro on top. I'm going to grab just a little bit more of my slaw. Just like that over the top. Of course, you got to have your lime wedges in here. And then I got a little fancy. Went ahead and put me some fresh crema in a squeeze bottle. Oh, doesn't get better than that, people. Doesn't get better than that. There you go. Bang bang shrimp tacos. You can eat the bang bang shrimp by itself, but I went ahead and made some tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and get you. You know I'm waiting for this bite. Bang bang shrimp tacos. Ooh, it doesn't get any better than this. Let me get a bite. It doesn't get any better than that. That slaw, the pickle of it. Oh Lord. Hey guys, perfection on the plate. I don't know what else to say. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.